Hi, David is here from Time. Let me actually show you how to install our product and what steps will you go through once you install our product. So go to our webpage or go to the Slack store, find our product. It's either timebot.chat or just look for Time in the Slack store, and here it is. In order to install our product, just click login and then just select your workspace. I will be using our Karma onboarding. Karma is another product that our company created, and intend to invoice about your workspace. Click allow, and then we go through a small onboarding. Agree to term of service, agree to privacy policy, read through it. It all makes sense, all pretty straightforward. Click next and review all the permissions. Again, take your time, read through every line. Slack already reviewed our permissions, so they all make sense, all security makes sense, but please do another read. Make sure that you like everything and all the data we collect. We don't collect much, but we still collect some. And then you click allow. And we'll go to our next step. Take a little bit of time. And here we go. Small onboarding. Would you like Slack would you like Time to send a welcome message to everyone on Slack and how to use the time board? Yes or no? Yes, recommended. Yep, we'll do that. Which channel would you like Time to announcement? We'll go into general. That, click next. Would you like to enable daily stand-ups? I'd recommend to enable daily stand-ups. Next, a broadcasting channel. So once you create the questions, then your employees will give answers. Those who will be using TimeBot, of course, will give answers to your daily stand-up questions, and their answers will publicly be broadcast into a certain channel. So just select the channel. You can just click no now and just enable it later on when you will go through product setup. So next, free trial, one time, instantly save, $24 a year. I do recommend that. You will receive a nice discount for life. Just for the sake of demonstration, I'll click no, but our payment goes through Stripe. It's very secure. Don't worry about giving you a credit card. You don't give it to us, you give it to Stripe. We don't see your credit card number, we just see a token. So don't worry that we'll have your credit card information. We won't. So you click next, and that's all you have to do. Just installs the product. Please look at the other link in this video. I'll just place it somewhere here. It'll tell you how to use the product. It's only like 7 minutes. It'll take you step by step how to use the product, how to set it up, what things to look for, and things like that. For now, it's a small demonstration how to install and set up our product. Have a great day, and work on time. Enjoy your work. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.